today we're at Habitat for Humanity's Restore. It's a sustainable way to update your housing decor, your home decor, or your furniture. They have a really great selection, but we're doing a trends in 10 video. We're gonna see how many of the upcoming seasonal trends we can find in the store for your home. I'm basing my trend guide off of the Pasadena Showcase house. If you didn't catch my video on that, check it out here. It's an amazing way to kind of showcase designs to be looking out for in the home. All right, so I have my phone. The trends we're looking for are bird inspired, so think bird cages or just even like bird sculptures. Food inspired, so think like apples or mushrooms or fruit or anything like that. We're looking for little lamps. Anything wicker, so wicker frames or plant holders would be cool to find. Unique candle holders or even just unique candles. Monochrome books, quirky chairs, funky vases, florals like dinnerware florals or pillows, like anything fun and floral. We love florals. And then pretty in pink, so we're thinking like pink curtains or even pink pillows. So those are the trends we're looking out for. We have 10 minutes. Let's see what we can find. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Counting down.
Let's go. I just got into Restore. 100% of the proceeds go towards Habitat for Humanity, and they're an organization that builds housing for people. It's an amazing organization. I'll put some details about them on the screen, but the timer has started, so let's see if we can find any trends. Right now, they have this cute little area. It's very organized, right? They have this cute area for Christmas decor, lots of artwork, lots of like brand new linens. A lot of the items are donated by individuals, but they are also donated by hotels, which is really cool, and some like World Market Centers if you're familiar with Vegas. But look, I already see a trend. $20 floral painting. Let's grab that. They have a ton of paintings. Let's see what they have here. Mirrors. I'm sure there's some more trends hiding in here. Ooh, look at this. This is cute. We got the fruit trend. We got 2 trends. Pears. $10. I'm gonna grab that. I really like that. Okay, let's see what other trends we can find. Here are more florals. This painting is huge. It's only $75. All right, let's see if we can find, ooh, look at this. It's like a little hourglass. That's cool. That's cool. Here's an overview of the store. Okay. Let's see. Here's a book. Look how gorgeous this armoire is. The floral trend is shining through. Okay, this is $200. All right, our timer just went off. We found in 10 minutes. I hope this encourages you to check out your local thrift store when you're looking to update your home. If you're looking for new home decor or furniture, go to the thrift store first. I'm at Habitat for Humanity Restore in Las Vegas. They have an amazing selection if you're ever here. Make sure you check it out and let me know which trend is your favorite. Again, if you're not into trends, if you have more of a classic style, that's okay too. You don't have to shop the trends, but I hope this just inspires you to know that your thrift store has an amazing selection and you don't have to get items from places like Target or Home Goods. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which trend was your favorite, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.